Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Connection and Sharing. This is where Android groups nearby features. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled because QuickShare requires both. Once done, scroll to find QuickShare. Don't get stuck in generic sharing menus. You're here to toggle the service off, so keep the page visible and ready. This first step puts you exactly where System controls live and prevents accidental changes elsewhere on the phone. You now open the QuickShare settings page and tap the main toggle to turn the service off. This stops new broadcasts from your phone. Next, make sure any visibility or incoming request options are disabled so strangers can't see your device. If there are paired or allowed devices listed, remove them to prevent automatic reconnects. Once those steps are complete, QuickShare will stop advertising and accepting transfers, which closes the main attack surface for unwanted file pushes. Finish by rebooting your Redmi to ensure the change takes effect across system services. A restart clears lingering broadcasts. If QuickShare still behaves oddly, go to Apps right arrow Show System Apps right arrow nearby Share /QuickShare and clear cache or app data to reset state. Make sure permissions like location or storage are revoked if you want stricter control. Troubleshooting tip: if it still shares, boot into safe mode to confirm a third-party app isn't re-enabling the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.